There are 3 ways to feed with a G-tube or a PEG tube. Bolus feeds use a feeding syringe and typically take 15 to 30 minutes to administer. If a thin formula is being used, it will flow through fairly quickly. And if blended food is being used, it's quite a bit thicker than thin formula. So there's a plunger that can be inserted to slowly push. Another way to feed with a G-tube or a PEG tube is using a gravity bag. Formula is placed into the bag and it runs through the tubing. This dial will set the rate. Feedings using a gravity bag usually take 30 minutes or longer, depending on the thickness of the formula and how open the tubing is set using the dial. The last way to feed with a G-tube or a PEG tube is using a feeding pump. Formula is placed into a bag and the bag is placed into a feeding pump. The rate is set to infuse formula over a specific amount of time, and that rate can be fast or slow depending on an individual's needs.